So, during the January 26 earnings call, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk told investors about his nascent robot plans that have the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. And they would be the most important things Tesla worked on this year. The robot in question, part of a project dubbed Optimus, was previewed last year by a human in a robot suit dancing on stage. And actually, the performance became a popular internet meme. Well, what doesn't in this current internet prevalent world? Now, we're going to find out what this Tesla robot is all about and why it's going to be Tesla's focus this year. Stay tuned. Okay, the Tesla bot, as it was dubbed, would use the same artificial intelligence systems that helped power Tesla vehicles, Elon Musk said at the event last August, but no prototype has yet been made. He also said the not yet built 5-foot 8-inch robot would have a screen on its face and be able to lift 150 pounds and travel at about 5 miles per hour. From an innovation perspective, this is quite impressive. And if Elon Musk and Tesla can pull it off, then 2022 will be set for another success story in terms of revenue. Do you actually know what makes the difference between Elon Musk and other CEOs? He doesn't know where and when to stop. The CEO has a knack for coming up with new innovations every day. Now, Elon Musk recently told investors that the humanoid robot's first application would be at a Tesla plant moving parts around the factory or something like that. But in the future, he sees it helping solve labor shortages. And in an earlier tweet, Elon Musk said that the Tesla AI might play a role in artificial general intelligence, given that it trains against the outside world, especially with the advent of Optimus. How much do you know about AGI? In a nutshell, it refers to the ability of a machine to learn or understand tasks performed by humans. This kind of technology can be used to reduce the human labor required within a firm. Now, as much as it sounds like an excellent innovation, questions have been raised concerning the unemployment numbers it could cause. Even Elon Musk has previously warned AI risks killing off human civilization, and in the same Twitter thread, he added that decentralized control of the robots will be critical. Many experts have had a go at what they think of the AGI technology. Professor of Robot Ethics Alan Winfield at the University of West England said AGI is an exceptionally hard problem. He says that the idea that you can crack AGI because you have created a driverless vehicle is absurd. Even if that car is highly capable, that would not be AGI. It would be a high-functioning, narrow intelligence. Professor Winfield adds that Google and Facebook have hired some of the best AI people in the world, and the idea that Musk can come in and crack the problem is hubristic in the extreme. Well, Elon Musk does like hard problems, though, from autonomous cars to trips to Mars, and has enjoyed plenty of successes. For instance, SpaceX's reusable rockets are widely regarded as representing a big step forward for space flights. But then, previous efforts to create cost-effective mass-market humanoid robots have failed. In June 2021, Japanese conglomerate SoftBank announced production of Pepper, a friendly little humanoid, had been paused and would start again only when the robots were needed, much to the dismay of the academic community that used them. That said, robots are increasingly used in factories around the world, with a current average of 126 robots per 10,000 employees in the manufacturing industry, according to the International Federation of Robotics. Many people, however, remain skeptical about Elon Musk's plans. Excel robotics software engineer Philippe Pykniewski tweeted that anyone who thinks Tesla is actually building a humanoid robot is living in an alternate reality. He further states that Mars bases are more likely than the bot. And Professor of Cognitive Robotics Tony Prescott at the University of Sheffield told BBC News that Elon Musk would face many challenges while trying to actualize the Tesla bot dream. He said that if it's being used in a factory, then a wheel-based robot would be much easier to build and have no problems of balance. But then it wouldn't be a humanoid. The big question is, will Elon Musk be able to pull it off? We all know what the Tesla CEO has been able to achieve so far. This Tesla bot is just another plan that could soon see Tesla increasing their quarterly and annual revenue earnings. Professor Tony Prescott further states that keeping the robot upright would be one of the biggest issues, along with creating hands and any form of hand-to-eye coordination. According to him, these are fundamental research problems that need to be solved. And even robots, such as Atlas, designed by Boston Dynamics and regarded as one of the most sophisticated humanoid bots available, will be attached to the ceiling when it's not making videos. And Tesla cars are robots, but they are a much simpler form, so this will be starting from scratch. That's what will pose a challenge to the giant EV maker. Professor Winfield agrees with Elon Musk on one thing, though. According to Winfield, the only thing that Musk is getting right is that the path towards AGI will be through physical robots. The Tesla boss's new robotics focus may disappoint some customers. In the same earnings call this year, he also said the company would not be introducing any new car models in 2022, and he does have a history of making rather ambitious promises. In 2019, he said Tesla would have 1 million robot taxis on the road by the end of 2020. So that definitely did not happen, and the result was just a massive customer disappointment. But then we all know by now that we can never dismiss Elon Musk at any given point. Analysts seem to be largely ignoring Tesla Bot as a potential driver for the stock. Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives even called Tesla Bot an absolute head-scratcher. Meanwhile, Wells Fargo analyst Colin Langan says the company's 2022 target timeline for a prototype robot may be too optimistic. Neither of them increased their price targets for Tesla stock in response to the news. The analysts are right to be raising eyebrows. Investors shouldn't start pricing anything in until there's a clear path to revenue and profits. If anything, the Tesla bot could be viewed as a distraction and could be a net negative for the stock. Elon Musk may be bullish on the potential of Tesla's Optimus robot, but Wall Street is taking a more muted stance on any potential machine army moving the needle financially. But given the company's history of doing extraordinary things and exceeding expectations, investors may want to at least refrain from counting the project against Tesla. Not only could it potentially turn into a driver for the business someday, but it may be the type of project needed for Tesla to attract some of the world's greatest minds in the artificial intelligence space. Time and again, Elon Musk has proven the markets wrong. Musk told analysts on the company's fourth quarter earnings call that if you think about the economy, the foundation is the economy's labor and capital equipment is distilled labor. So what happens if you don't actually have a labor shortage? And what kind of an economy even means at that point? Elon Musk said that's what Optimus is about. Now, taking a step back, with the chip shortage still a major overhang on the auto space and logistical issues globally, these delivery numbers combined with this impressive earnings beat speaks to an EV demand trajectory that looks quite robust for Tesla with clear momentum into 2022. At the moment, the Tesla bot may look like just another one of Elon Musk's crazy innovations, but it's actually one that could go a long way in pushing the company's stock price higher if it succeeds. All this definitely depends on how the market will react once it's launched, and that's what we're looking forward to in 2022. Anyway, we're super excited to have you joining our sessions. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.